everyone! Hello mga auntie, mga uncle! Kumusta kayo dyan, mga momshi? I'm back! Ito, gawa tayo ng breakfast ng anak ko. It is a blueberry cupcake with, I put a banana on it. So, gawa tayo para may breakfast siya ngayon. Ito, linis na yan. Lagyan natin ng kunting oil grease. Ayan, nalagay ko na siya sa oven. So, wait lang tayong maluto yan. Para makakain na tong batibot na to. Yan muna ang vlog namin ngayon. Ay, ipapakita ko kayo kung anong itsura na ngayon sa labas namin. I'll let you see guys what's up outside now. The snow is starting melting already, so now it's sunny. It's nice now outside but still cold. Tingnan ko nga kung kasi ilang araw na hindi na umaandar yung namin guys, yung Christmas light dun sa labas. Ewan ko ba kung anong nangyari, kasi yan guys, anong tawag dun, yung solar na Christmas lights na nilagay namin sa tree na yan. Nakita nyo ba yan? Ay, hindi makita kasi na sa araw. So, ayan oh. Yun. Kaya, baka na siya ng hangin. May snow pa din doon. Ayun lang guys. Yun lang ang ganap namin ngayon. Mag-iisip ako anong lutuin namin mamaya. Tapos maglinis na naman. Ligpid-ligpid dito kasi kalat. Ng batibot na yan. Ready to eat na yan. Tignan nyo. Paluto na siya. It's almost done. Yay! It's fully down now, everyone. It's cooked now, guys. We have to take it out from the oven, and we'll sit aside first because it's really hot. You have to be careful. Look at that, guys. Ooh. It's my baby girl's breakfast today. Yeah. Yes, this is it. So ayan na guys, because I have to prepare my daughter's breakfast. I have to get her plate. Making her a scrambled egg for her protein. Taste this. Unang kagat. Her food is ready na. So, smile happy baby. Yeah, you're excited. Are you excited to eat your breakfast? Yeah? Yeah.